Hello guys, I am Haris and I'm the owner of Cosmic Exploration Hub. In this video, I'll talk about something which may be a historical breakthrough in astronomy. You may have heard that recently a parallel universe or evidence of a parallel universe was discovered where time runs backwards. But before getting into detail, let's get into context of what is happening. Now, many of you may know that we think that we live in a single ever expanding universe. However, there are theories that suggest that because of the Big Bang, there wasn't just one universe that was formed. The Big Bang may have formed identical universes. Therefore, instead of the single universe, there may be a multiverse. This theory is not yet exactly proven, but many suggest that it may have been like that. Now, coming to our main point, as I mentioned before, that scientists may have found evidence to this parallel universe. Such evidence was also put forward back in 2015, however, it wasn't as strong as this one. Hence, now scientists believe that they might have found a great clue. And it's not just a normal neighboring universe, since time runs backwards over there. Basically, scientists conducting cosmic ray detection in Antarctica were the ones who found this evidence. And these evidences also suggest that the laws of physics in this universe are totally different from ours. Moreover, the strange thing that led to this evidence was that they reported that they detected high energy particles rising out from Antarctica, which is totally opposite to how these particles should behave. Normally, they are only detected when they come down from space to us. Therefore, this behavior of these particles suggested that these rays were traveling backwards in time. And therefore, this is how we know that the time in this universe runs backwards. However, this still remains a theory because scientists still are not sure enough about this behavior and don't have sufficient evidence to prove that there is a parallel universe. Therefore, that is why I said that we may have found a parallel universe. You would be shocked to know that this universe may be a mirror one. Therefore, everything in this universe would be opposite to that of our universe. Time would run backwards, positive would be negative, left would be right, everything will be different over there. This marks the end of this short video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then drop a like and share it with your friends.